Hey Colts! Today we are going to learn how to turn an assignment in to Turnitin.com using Moodle. The first thing you're going to want to do is ensure your assignment has been saved to your desktop as either a PDF or a Microsoft Word document, because Turnitin.com does not accept Mac's word processor pages and it will not accept Google Documents either. So if you have been using Google Documents to create your assignment, in order to save it as a PDF, you're going to want to click on File, Download, and then PDF document. Once this is downloaded as a PDF, you're just going to want to drag and drop this onto your desktop so that it's saved, and you can come back to this later when you're uploading to the Moodle. Then log on to your teacher's Moodle and find the location for submission. Before submitting your paper, you will be required to agree to the terms of use for Turnitin. Please take the time to read through the fine print with a parent, and when you are finished, click Agree. Then make sure your paper is being submitted during the assigned period, indicated by the start date and the due date. Otherwise, your paper might not be accepted by Turnitin, and you will need to contact your teacher. To submit your paper, click on the little button called Submit Paper. Give your assignment a title, and then drag and drop your assignment from your desktop. Add submission. And if done correctly, Turnitin will provide you with a receipt to indicate a successful submission. After submitting your paper, the submission page should look like this. Here you can view the digital receipt, and some teachers even let you view the originality report that is generated by Turnitin. Here you can see the similarity is about 13%. If you click on your paper, you can go in and view comments left by your teacher. These will become available to you after the posted date. Click on this little comment box, and this should be full of comments. If you would like to view that originality report, click on the Match Overview. Turnitin compares your assignment to other papers that have been submitted to the database in the past and to internet sources. After clicking on this button, you should be able to scroll through your paper and see the places that have been flagged as similar. If you had followed the rules of MLA format, applied proper in-text citations, and demonstrated academic integrity in crafting your paper, the only passages that will likely be similar are your borrowed quotations or paraphrased ideas that have been properly cited. Turnitin.com additionally will mark grammar and spelling errors, and these will be marked in purple. So when you scroll through your paper, these will be marked and indicated to you as errors that will likely need to be corrected in the future. And that's how you submit an assignment to Turnitin through Moodle. Thanks for watching, and remember, no Colt walks alone.